guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thank you so much for clicking that link. I know it's not easy, but if it's not, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you. The first step is that, like, you have to be 18 or over to apply, and you have to live in the UK for 5 years or more, and you have to have a good character. A good character means, like, you shouldn't have any criminal record, no fraud, no nothing. You should be clean as white blank paper. So yeah, you should, and everything. And you have to meet the English language, which is B1 exam, which is £150. You have to go and do, which just see that if we can speak English. The B1 exam is £150, and the life in the UK exam is £50. So yeah, did that and stuff, passed the exam. After doing your exam, you can apply for your citizenship. There's a couple of ways to apply. Either you can apply as individual, or you can apply through agents, or you can apply through National Checking Service. But like, they don't do National Checking Service anymore. They used to, but they don't do that, because that when you used to go to your local council, they will help you through the process, but it costs some money, like £80 or £100, depend the borough. But they don't do that anymore. So now it's either you apply through a lawyer, or you apply individual online through Gov and stuff. But you always have to be careful, because the website, they're dodgy. You have to call home office, or if you know someone, send it to you, because you have to be careful, because there's people out there trying to make money out of people. So you have to be so careful. So after you done that and stuff, after you already go through the application, apply through post, because I did my one through online. Try not to make mistakes and stuff, because we do make mistakes in life. So don't rush with the application. And for you, those two people have to have two good characters and stuff. It was just like, it was two people that signed for me, but they already got good character reference, and they worked in the country for so long. So that's alright, to be honest. I don't see the big deal in that. So yeah, so after you already submit your application, so what I did, I don't know about you, Lord, what I did, I screenshot every page just to keep it as evidence. So once submitting my application, which the application money costs 1,349. So yeah, so after you already submit the home office will then email you and telling you how long it's going to take. Usually they will say it's going to take up to 6 months or longer. If there's anything, they will let you know and stuff like that. They will contact you. So I submitted my application around December 30th. So after submitting it, you have to go on the website where they will tell you that you have to book a checking service. A checking service where is a UK visa, which they'll go and check your application just to make sure that, and your document, to make sure that everything is correct and stuff like that. So you go there, book an appointment, which is £100 as well. So you book the appointment. After that, you take your documents. They will ask you to take your life in the UK certificate, your B1 exam, your 2 reference with stamping pictures on. But don't worry about the pictures, they will go there and give you like a glue to stamp it on. Yeah, you have to have that, and you have to have a proof of address. But if you have a proof of address, like, you can take the bank statement. So after that, because I submitted my application December 30th 2019, and I went for the UK visa checking service, including the 31st of December as well. So I went for my appointment. It was less than an hour. So I went there, did my checking service, and I did a mistake. Yeah, I did a mistake on my application, because there was a section that I did that I put because my name, I didn't put my middle name on the application. So when I went to the UK visa, the lady was so nice. Like, she was really nice. So she was like, you're missing something because your passport is different than what you put online, so would you like me to add your middle name? So I was like, yeah. And I was like, thank you Lord, thank you. Like, she was a lifesaver. So yeah, she added my middle name and she said like everything seems all right now. So after that, you have to do like a fingerprint there. They will do that. You do that and you take a picture as well. They will scan your documents and do everything for you, and they will ask you, are you okay for us to submit your application? If you said yeah, they will submit it and they will tell you that you just need to wait now for Home Office to get back to you. They will contact you. For now, you don't need to do nothing. You just need to relax. And so yeah, after that you just wait. So yeah, I just left it. So I got a letter because during the time December I was in London, so I went back to Stoke, which is Staffordshire. That's where I was living. So I went back Stoke. I think I went on the 20th or something. So when I went back, and then on the 21st I received a letter like saying that your application has been approved. Let me show it to you guys how it looks like. So it looks like this. So I read it first. It goes like citizenship invitation. So application for British citizenship by your name and stuff like that, and your date of birth and everything. And it said, I'm pleased to tell you that this application for British citizenship has been approved. So, and after that it will tell you what to do and how to arrange a local authority ceremony. So the ceremony, that's where you're going to get your certificate. So you have to like contact your local council to see if they have a available spot for you to go and do your ceremony. There's two types of way of doing the ceremony. You can either do the ceremony as individual, which you have to pay, or you can do the ceremony as group interview, where you don't need to pay for anything. So what I did a group interview, and you're allowed to bring 2 guests. It depends the borough that you are. So yeah, you have to take 2 guests with you, and you're allowed to take pictures, and you're allowed to do whatsoever. So when you get in, they will check your document, check whatsoever you have is correct to the information that is on your certificate, and later they will ask you, how would you like to take the oath? Would you, the people that take it affirmation, sit down in different ways and stuff like that. So one by one individual. So when she calls, she will ask you, would you like me to read? She will ask you, would you like me to read it out? Would you like to repeat after me? Or would you like to read the thing by yourself? You can do that, that's fine. So after you read that, everyone read that together and stuff like that. And the second paragraph, that's when everyone going to read it together, and later you'll sit down. After that again, that's when she's going to call your name individual to congratulate you and give you your certificate. So that's the certificate you need to hold properly, carefully. So after having your certificate, all of you going to stand up again, and then you're going to sing the national anthems and stuff like that. So after that, she congratulate you guys one more time, say thank you, now you're a British citizen, you have to obtain the role, you have to do this, you have to do that and stuff like that. So once that's done, so that's it, done and over. Because my one started at 10, finished at 11, so it was just an hour, so it wasn't too bad. So after that, they will tell you what to do next. The next step after getting your certificate, you have to, if you have a biometric, I don't know, because I do have a biometric, which when did I do that? In 2015 I did that, which cost me £1,000. So what you have to do, you have to cut that into 2. I don't know whosoever that have it, because I do have it. So you have to cut that into 2 and put it in an envelope, and then write down like your name. Say that the reason why you're returning it because you don't need it anymore, you're a British citizen now. So, or you can just send it as it is and stuff like that, but always cut it into 2 and then post it to the address below. I'll drop everything down below, don't worry. So you post it back to them, and then once you've done that, and you have to, guys, because if you don't post that biometric back, you get fined £1,000, and you don't need that to get fined again, because you already been through that process to paying a lot of money. So why would you get fined? when you can just post it as soon as possible. So after posting it and stuff, so you can go and apply for your red passports and stuff, and you are fully British citizens and stuff. So that's it. So the process was so easy and calm. My one didn't even take up to a month, nothing. It didn't. So it was so straightforward, and you just need to believe and have faith that things are going to happen. Sometimes the way that we wanted stuff to happen in our life, that's not how God wants it. God wants it to happen in a different way. You just need to have patience and say that it's going to happen. It's going to happen. So for those of you that are trying to apply, and for those of you that already did, I would like to say a massive congratulations, because that's a massive big step that you're taking, because it's not easy to have the money. It's not easy to find the money. I'm being honest, because there will be so many stuff coming up your way, and to have the money is hard. So don't worry, whosoever already applied and send the application, you'll get it. You just need to have a faith, and for finger crossed you get it. So if you would like me to do any more videos or anything to share, please just comment below and I'll do it. If you have any more questions that you feel like I've missed something out that you want me to tell you more about, just comment and I'll give you all of the details. But for now, I'm going to love and leave you guys. So for now, bye.